students, I welcome you all to my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi with the same chapter Time and Work, where we are going to learn about many more different type of problem, which is the type 3, and here the part 2 we will be discussing, in which mainly few of the people have already started working on one of the project, but after few days one of the member leaves that project. So what will happen in that case, that we have to see. Okay, so the problem here we have A can finish a work in 10 days. We know that we have to write the problem into this format first time. Here we will try to find out the efficiency, but for that we have to consider the LCM. We have to consider the work with the help of LCM. So A works for 10 days to finish the work alone, and while B can finish the same work in 15 days. Now if we look for the LCM part of 10 and 15, so of course 30 is going to be the LCM. We can have other number also like multiples of 30, but try to take the smallest one, LCM. Okay, so 10 threes are and 15 twos are 30, which gives us the efficiency 3 and 2 for A and B, right? Both started working together. Now here we have to create the timeline, which is really very important. Once you understand the concept of creating the timeline, it will be very easy for you to do this problem. Okay, so both started working together, but after 4 days A leaves the work. A left the work and then B continues with it, whatever the efficiency B has. Okay, so first of all, A and B both have started working. Here we are talking about the efficiency, of course, because efficiency multiplied by time is going to give us the work, right? So what happens here? A and B works together for how long? For only 4 days. Then after that A leaves the work, but B is still continuing with the work, but for how many days, that we are not aware. That only we need to calculate. And the total work which needs to be finished, that is 30, which can be done by A and B together for 4 days, plus B is doing for few of the days alone. And those few of the days we have to find out. So efficiency of A and B together is 3 plus 2, 5, multiplied by 4, plus B's efficiency is 2 multiplied by the time taken by B to finish the remaining work is equals to 30. 5 fours are 20, will be transferred there. 30 minus 20 gives us 10 divided by 2. This 2 will come into the denominator, which is going to give us the time taken by B to finish the remaining work. So 5 days will be taken by B to finish the work. If we try to do this problem with the help of basic method, finding the efficiency by taking the reciprocal of the number of days which has been given, like 1 by 10 is the efficiency for A, 1 by 15 is the efficiency. So that will be lot of time taking, right? And it will be confusing also. So better we will understand this way only. This is really very important to create the timeline, that exactly how we have to move ahead. This gives us the idea about the problem. Okay, so I hope it's easy to understand. Let us move to the next example. P can finish a work in 18 days. Here we will be talking about the time, then efficiency and work. Q can finish the work in 20 days and R can finish the same work in 30 days. If we look for the work, then we have to get the value for the LCM. So 180 is going to be the LCM value. So 10 will be the efficiency for P, then 9 will be the efficiency for Q, and 6 will be the efficiency for R. R can finish it in 30 days. Q and R started working together. So Q and R are working together, but after 2 days. That means they worked for 2 days together and then they left. Both of them left the work. Q and R took the exit at the same time together after 2 days. Then P joined the work. So starting में सिर्फ Q और R ने start किया work को, 2 दिन तक continue किया, फिर उनको bore लगा और maybe they got some other work. So they left the work and P started doing the same work which was left out by Q and R. तो जितना भी किया उन्होंने इन 2 दिनों में, उसके बाद continuation में P started doing it, but for how long P did, that we have to calculate. So then P will finish the remaining work in how many days, that we have to find out. And the work value is 180. So efficiency multiplied by time gives us the work. With this formula, we can easily create this timeline. So Q and R combined efficiency is 9 plus 6, 15 multiplied by 2 is going to give me 30. P efficiency is 10 multiplied by time taken by P to finish the remaining work is equals to 180. 30 will be transferred to right hand side. 180 minus 30 gives me 150. And to the left side, I already have 10 multiplied by time. So time taken by P to finish that remaining work is 15 days, right? I hope it's easy. Now जल्दी से इन दोनों क्वेश्चंस को सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए and give your answer in the comment box.